This video, we're going to look at how we could use tree diagrams to actually calculate probability when we're given a little bit of actual probability. So here we have a survey that reports on which chicken people prefer. They either prefer Cane's or they prefer Chick-fil-A. Of those people who prefer Cane's, 80% prefer soda. On the tree diagram, what number should go in the blank space labeled X? So let's just look at our diagram real quick here. We have the options of either preferring Cane's or preferring Chick-fil-A. And then from those options, of course, you could prefer either soda or water, which is why you'll see both of these branches coming out of each of these two branches already made here. So with that in mind, we have 0.55 prefer Cane's, 0.45 prefer Chick-fil-A. Maybe you're not used to seeing percentages like this, but this is actually 55% right here. It's just how that looks. And this is also then 45%. That's how percentages work. Percentages are actually decimals. They're 0 point and then whatever the decimal is. So let's go ahead and kind of discuss this further then. 80% prefer soda of the people who prefer Cane's. So if I go to prefer Cane's and then prefer soda, 80% of the people are here. But I want to look at it as a decimal because that's what we put on our trees, at least that's what already was put. So it's within reason that I should kind of keep it in the decimal format, not the percentage format. So let's go ahead and think then 80%, how would that look as a decimal? Well, the pattern here was you just take this 0 point and then don't write that. So well, here I am going to just write 0 point and then 80. So that'll go there, but then how can I use this information to figure out what goes here? And the trick is that these need to add up to 100% or just 1.0. So I need to think then 80% and whatever is here should equal 100%. Just as it would be down here, but we don't have any information about that. So let's just ignore that for now. 80% plus what percentage equals 100? Well, 80 plus what equals 100? And some of you are probably screaming at your computer, 20. Dude, it's 20%. So I know 20% should go here, which means what decimal should go there? Well, same rules apply, right? I'm going to drop the percentage symbol and I'm just going to write 0.20. That would be what goes in that spot there. So the rule is that your branches at each kind of stage should sum to 100%, which obviously should make some form of sense, right? If we're looking at data, we should total it to be 100%. We're not going to ignore some amount of data. So 80% of the people who prefer Cane's like soda, 20% of the people who prefer Cane's prefer water. So in this little blank spot labeled X, I'm going to put 0.20 to represent the 20%.